I'm still at a friend's house and I'm gonna go underneath the floor. There's a plumbing pipe where the brackets have given way and it's bowed down at an angle. It's full of water. It's not causing any leak, but if it doesn't get fixed soon, no telling what's going to happen to it. Okay, so I wanted to show you how to go about fixing it with these things right here. Just hang on here a minute. We'll keep the camera going. Get this door open. Okay, what do we have here anyways? Let's get you in here. This is underneath the floor. Look how tall this is. We can just walk in here nicely. See this pipe here? This is the sewer drain line from the kitchen sink. And see that bracket there? It's broken, isn't it? It's snapped off right in there. And you follow this down, kaboom. Here's the next one that's let loose. And I think that's actually broken. I don't think I can push that back up in there. I mean, I'll try, but yeah, I'm pretty sure that's broken. See this pipe? See how it bows down? Now, this air conditioning duct is not really keeping it sagged or anything. But see here, you follow this, here's the next one that's broken. Right there. You go down a little further, and that one down there, I thought it was broken. Not quite sure. That could be okay. That one could be okay. I got 4 of these brackets. Oh, okay. Yeah, see, there's one right up in here. Right there. And that one's given way. So that's 2, 3, 4. See, this is, if I feel this is heavy right now. And because it's full of water. Next time the sink goes off, the water comes down. And it's never going to back up on the sink, because see, the sink's way up high there. Okay? So this is full of water right now. And then it drains out the pipe way down there. I'm not going to get a light there, but see, it goes way down in there. And then there's another Y right there, and it goes on down that way. And then it dumps out way down that way and connects into some other pipes and stuff. Okay? So every time they run the water, it dips down here, and then it still has enough water to push it down further. Okay? But if this doesn't get fixed pretty soon, I have a feeling the next bracket is going to break down there, and then this whole thing could snap or put pressure on a joint. Let's say every 20 feet or so there's a coupling. See here, this coupling, this one's never going to break, and that's glued in there fine. But it really needs these supports. So that's why I went to the store and I got those nice little goodies right there. And that's what I'm going to use. You want to learn how to do that? Stick around. Now see this bracket? Once I put it up there, then I'm going to loop this in here and tighten that up to whatever size pipe you need. This is only, the pipe we're going to work on is only 2-inch ABS is what it's called. And at the end of this, here's the little nails, and they're just kind of held in there by the little support right there. And so I've got 2 nails for this, and see all the holes in here? You can adjust this to wherever you want. You can chop it off. We can run it sideways, because up where it goes, we've got to get it going this direction like that, not that direction, right? So I'm going to have to put the nails in that direction, not that direction. And I'm going to use the 2 little nails they gave me. Oh, that's kind of slick. $3.49 for this, and we got 4 of them. Let's do it. Now here's the thing. Am I a master plumbing tech guru? No. I've run my share of ABS pipe, my copper pipes, and my metal ducting like that, and flexible ducting like that, and hot water heaters and all that kind of stuff, and electrical cabling. Okay, but you don't have to be a plumbing guru to fix something like this. Step by step, you can do it. Now see, as this pipe goes down, it starts up at this angle at a certain height, and then it's a little bit lower here, a little bit lower there, a little bit lower at the next one, and all the way down. So I can't just willy-nilly tie this up, but because the other brackets are still up there, I can hold those up in such a fashion to where I know where it should be, and then I'm going to take my bracket and nail it in there. Let's do it, shall we? Now see, this pipe is pretty heavy because there's still some water in it, but if I lift it up this high, see, this is the strap that broke. If I just lift it up that high, then I know exactly where this bracket goes here. Okay, so there's a supporting 2x4 across here, and I can hold this up about the same height as the other one. Okay, like right about there, I guess. Let's try that. And I got my little nails, and see there's holes there. And I've got 2 nails, so I'm going to put 2 of these nails up here. Okay. You know, before I put that other nail, I'm going to kind of mimic this. So I push that up, and see, this has the little thread things all the way around it, and it said it was for any size pipe. Okay, that's going to work just fine, I believe. So I'm going to put this nail in. That. And I'm going to slip this in. Like that. And that's going to cinch it up. Okay. There it is. There she be. Right there. Now that's just a hair lower than that, but I think it's going to be fine. There. Okay. So if I had something to cut this off, I could snap it off now, but I don't think I do. Yeah, I didn't bring my snips in. I have some electrical cutters. Let's see what that does. Just so it doesn't hang down like that. I guess it's gonna work. There we go. And if I wanted, I could take this one off. Okay. There. Done with the first one, just like that. See, you don't need to be no plumber. I could have started here first, but I didn't. This one was at the very end. And see, I can't get up on the back side there. It's going to be easier for me to work on this side. This was the broken piece, and I just can pull that out. And I don't know, maybe I should leave that there so I don't push it up any higher than that and put this right off to the side. I think I can do that, like that. Okay. Grab my little nails here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave that right like that. Now this time I can just hook this on first if I want. Let's see how we're gonna get that in there at that angle. Ooh, no, I don't think that's gonna work think I'm going to have to move this out of there, and we'll just keep that right where it's at. Okay, I'll just slide that out of the way. Let's see if I can whack this out of here. Simple enough. Well, we'll get this thing in there, get it pooched up about where it's supposed to be. Like that. Yeah, about like there. That's just the top of that little thing. These are kind of slick. Tap, tap, tap. Get in there and cinch it up. Just like that. There you go. Well, let's get this cut off just so it looks kind of respectable. I had some tin snips in the van, but you know, I could walk out and get them, but I've got just some little cutters here. That seems to do it. 2 down, 2 to go.